Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib IT and you are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this logo easily by using Adobe Illustrator. So let's start the video. So friends, at first we have to set our face. To do it, you have to click on the file, then click on the new. Then select this format, then click on this box and type at 3.5, then click on this box and type at 2. Then you have to click on the create. After set up the page, you have to select the pen tool. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold Alt key, then click on the anchor point. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold Alt key, then click on the anchor point. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then select the move tool. Then you have to select this. Then press and hold Alt key, then take it away from this. Then you have to select this, then rotate this. Then you have to rotate this again. Then drag this in here. Then increase the size of this. Then drag this in here. Then you have to select all layers, then drag this layers in here. Then you have to select these and click on the fill, then select this color. Then click on the stroke, then disable the stroke. Then you have to select this, then click on the fill, then select this color, then select the stroke, then disable the stroke. Then you have to select all layers, then press and hold Shift key, then decrease the size of this, then drag this in here. Then drag this in here. Then you have to select all layers, then decrease the size of these layers. Then select these layers, then drag these layers in here. Then press and hold Shift key, then increase the size of this. Then you have to select the move tool. Then select the pen tool. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then press and hold Alt key, then click on the anchor point. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then select the move tool. Then you have to select this layer. Then press and hold Alt key, then take it away from this layer. Then you have to rotate this layer. Then drag this layer in here. After that, you have to select this layer, then select the gradient tool, then you have to click on here. Then select this, then click on the fill, then select this color. Then you have to select this layer, then click on the fill again, then select this color from here. Then select the move tool. Then you have to select this, then select the gradient tool, then click on here. Then you have to select this, then click on the fill, then you have to select this color from here. Then you have to select the move tool. Then select this, then select the gradient tool, then click on here. Then select this, then click on the fill. Then select this color from here. Then select the move tool. Then you have to select this, then select the gradient tool, then click on here. Then select this, then click on the fill. Then you have to select this color from here. Then select the move tool. After that, you have to select all layers, then drag these layers in here. Then you have to click on the file, then click on the export. Then click on the export as. Then select the location, then type the logo name. Then select PNG format, then click on the export. Then you have to select 300 ppi, then select Nasib, then click on the OK. After that, you have to open the Adobe Photoshop. So I am opening the Adobe Photoshop from my PC. After opening the Photoshop, you have to open the logo mockup. So I am opening this mockup. After that, you have to open the logo. So I am opening the logo from my PC. After opening the logo, you have to back to the mockup. Then you have to double click on here. Then you have to select this, then drag this in here. Then you have to select this, then click on the backspace. Then select this, then drag this in here, then increase the size of this. Then you have to drag this in here. Then you have to click on the tick mark. After that, you have to press Ctrl plus S1 from keyboard. Then you have to close this, then you have to close this. Now, here you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is for you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.